Aging gracefully is a deeply personal and multifaceted journey, often tied to both how we physically and mentally manage the aging process. It's not just about avoiding wrinkles or staying physically youthful, but about cultivating a mindset and lifestyle that allow for a fulfilling and vibrant life as we grow older. The concept of aging itself with grace can vary from person to person, but it often combines physical, emotional, and social elements. Let's explore the key principles and traits associated with aging gracefully. Understanding and accepting the natural process of aging is crucial. Aging brings inevitable changes to our bodies and minds, and embracing these changing changes with a positive mindset is a cornerstone of aging gracefully. This includes letting go of unrealistic societal standards of perpetual youth and instead focusing on the beauty and wisdom that comes with age. Self compassion plays a role here, allowing yourself to be kind as your body or mind changes and reframing aging as an opportunity for growth rather than something to fear or resist. Regular physical activity is one of the most important elements of graceful aging. It maintains flexibility, balance, and strength, which are essential for independent living. It also improves mood, cognitive function, and energy levels. Eating a well balanced diet rich in nutrients supports healthy aging. A diet that has high in fruits, vegetable, healthy fats, and lean proteins can help keep skin vibrant, support bone health, and maintain cognitive functions. Hydration is also crucial for skin elasticity and energy levels. Getting quality sleep or rest helps with memory, mood regulation, and physical recovery. Sleep plays a pivotal role in reducing the physical signs of aging and preserving mental clarity. Mental and emotional resilience regarding growing older often provides a better understanding of emotion and self regulation. People who age gracefully tend to possess a high level of emotional intelligence, which allows them to navigate the challenges of life with a balanced perspective. Life, unfortunately, will throw curveballs at you as you age, such as health issues, the loss of loved ones, and changing social dynamics. People who age gracefully tend to be flexible and open minded, adapting to these challenges rather than resisting them. Cultivating gratitude, optimism, and mindfulness can significantly impact mental well being. People who focus on the positives, even in difficult circumstances, tend to age more gracefully. They know how to find joy in the simple things and savor life experiences. Life continuing to explore new hobbies, such as reading or take on new challenges, can keep the mind sharp and engaged. Intellectual stimulation helps maintain cognitive function and prevents feelings of stagnation. Maintaining close relationships with family, friends, and community provides a strong emotional support system. People who have a strong social connection tend to live longer and enjoy a higher quality of life. Engaging also with younger generations, whether through family, mentoring, or community involvement, can provide a sense of purpose and contribute to feelings of value and belonging. People who have a reason to wake up every day, whether it's work, hobbies, or volunteering, tend to feel more fulfilled as they age. A purpose can help reduce the risk of mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Taking time for self care, whether that's through skincare routines, hair care, or simply pampering oneself with a spa day, contributes to feeling good about one's appearance. This doesn't mean chasing youth, but rather honoring the skin and body that you have now. Many people who age gracefully continue to express themselves through clothing choices that make them feel confident and as well comfortable. Dressing in a way that suits your body and your personality can enhance self esteem. Living with the awareness of mortality is paradoxically a key to aging gracefully. People who age well tend to have an understanding that life is not infinite and use this knowledge to prioritize what really matters: connections, experiences, and personal growth. Letting go of attachment to past version of yourself. Aging gracefully means being at peace with who you are today rather than trying to hold on to a past version of yourself, either physically or mentally. Flexibility, both mentally and physically, is another important trait of graceful aging. As our bodies change, being able to adapt to new ways of moving or altering routines to accommodate new circumstances will help us maintain independence and positivity. Keeping the mind flexible means embracing change in a way that feels empowering rather than overwhelming. This mindset encourages people to see new opportunities instead of dwelling on the limitations that aging may bring. Humor and playfulness are essential for aging well. Having the ability to laugh at life's little absurdities can lighten heavy moments and make even difficult transition more manageable. Aging does not mean losing the joy of living. It can mean gaining a greater appreciation for the quirky, funny aspects of life. Finding humor in aging itself in an unexpected situation or just in a day-to-day experiences help maintain a youthful spirit. Finally, in summary, aging with grace is about a blend of physical health, emotional intelligence, social engagement, and self compassion. And I have to actually emphasize on self compassion. It involves accepting the inevitable changes that come with time while remaining flexible and resilient. It's about nurturing not only the body, but the mind and spirit, finding joy and purpose, and building deep relationships with others. Aging gracefully also means embracing imperfections, accepting one's mortality, and allowing yourself to continue growing, learning, and contributing regardless of age. Each person's journey is unique in itself, but the core of aging with grace is about cultivating wisdom, resilience, and a sense of peace with oneself and one's place in the world. I hope you have enjoyed my speech on this particular matter, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.